2 million years ago, our ancestors lived in constant fear of the dark. No light, no warmth, no protection. Every night, predators lurked just beyond the edge of sight, and there was nothing early humans could do but huddle together and wait for sunrise. Then something changed everything. Somewhere in Africa, a bolt of lightning struck dry grass. Flames spread. Most animals fled. But one group of early humans didn't just run, they watched. They saw the fire scare off predators. They saw it give off heat. And slowly, cautiously, they learned to keep it burning. This wasn't just survival. This was the beginning of civilization. With fire, humans could finally cook meat, breaking down proteins that raw food couldn't offer, feeding bigger brains with less effort. Scientists believe this single shift helped fuel the growth of human intelligence itself. Fire pushed back the night. Predators kept their distance. For the first time, humans could stay awake after dark, talking, planning, bonding around the flame. That circle around the fire? Some researchers believe it's where storytelling was born, where language deepened, where humans became social in a whole new way. Fire meant warmth in freezing climates humans could never have survived in before. It meant tools, hardened wood, shaped weapons, forged advantages over every other species on Earth. One accidental spark, one moment of curiosity instead of fear, and it changed the trajectory of our entire species. The next time you light a candle, remember, you're holding the same power that built human civilization.